Welcome to Simple Teaching.
Today we are going to learn how to teach the children additions and subtractions in an easy method. The first thing we have to teach them is counting. Here the concept is count and write. We are teaching the kids how to count the dots here. In this concept they will learn counting the numbers. So here we have taken a dice and a box to write the answer. Here the dice has 2 dots and the answer is 2. Here the dice has 6 dots and the answer is 6. So give them some exercises like this and let them do this. And the next thing is count and match. So just follow a single concept. Here I am following the dice concept and all the worksheets are going to be in the dice concept. Here count and match. Ask the children to count the dots, to count the value of the dice and match it to the appropriate number. Here this is 3 dots, 2 dots and next 4 dots, 4. In this way ask them to complete this and give more exercises in this count and matching concept. And here we are also going to introduce them the plus symbol, which is an addition symbol. Here we are introducing the addition symbol so that the children must count the value of the 2 dice and match it to the appropriate number. Here the first dice has 3 and the second dice is 1, 4. They must match it to the appropriate number. So here we are introducing the addition symbol. And going to the next page. Here we teach them the additions. And now ask them to write the answers by adding both the dice. Here the first dice is 5 and the second dice is 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. In the same way ask them to complete all the answers. And next introduce them the equations. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So teach them the equation form here. And next, coming to the next page. I am skipping this. I'll tell you later. Here now we are giving the equation form. As we have introduced this in the previous page, now we are giving the equation form. So now they can easily add this 4 plus 3 and the addition must be only in between 1 to 10. Because as this is a starting stage for kids, just give them the smaller numbers which are less than 10. If once they become perfect with the smaller numbers, then you can give them the bigger numbers. Here if your children still feel it is a little difficult, just do this concept. Here we are adding only one with all the other numbers. It will be easy for the kids to add a single number and later go to this concept of giving a different numbers. By following this step by step, children will understand the addition concept and they can do it by their own. And here one more important thing is, make sure that all the left side numbers are bigger than the right side numbers so that it will be easy for them to count. And now introducing the concept of subtraction. There are some pictures and a box for answer. Okay, first ask them to count the pictures. The first picture is apple and ask them to count. There are 6 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and ask them to share some apples with you. Then the children will say some number, either 2 or 3 or 1. And now whatever number they say, just ask them to strike out. If they want to share 2 apples, ask them to cut off the apples. Teach the kids that the leftover apples is the answer here. In the same way, ask the child to do with the remaining pictures. So let us go to the next concept. Here we are introducing the subtraction symbol, that is minus. Teach them the minus symbol. Here what is the concept? There are 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So what is the number here? 1. So we have to strike off one picture, one flower. So how many are left? 1, 2. And the answer is 2. The same way the next one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons minus 3. So we have to strike off 3 balloons. 1, 2 and 3. And how many are left? 2. Here the child will know the concept of minus, that is subtraction. So give your kids more exercises on this. Next, coming to here, subtraction 1 to 5 means the numbers must be only in between 1 to 5. Here we have taken the number 5 and subtract with 1, subtract with 2, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4. As I have told you in the addition, the subtraction also follow the same rule that all the left side numbers must be greater than the right side numbers. Here see, this is a 5 and write all the numbers which are below 5. In the same way here 4 and 1, 2, 3, these are the numbers below 4, and next 3 and next 2. And next subtraction 1 to 10. In the previous page we have taken the numbers 1 to 5 and now take the numbers 1 to 10 and give the subtractions in between 1 to 10. And this way our children will learn addition and subtraction concept easily. Hope these worksheets help you. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.